I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fucks. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, lil' slut?
YouTube, man, what it do, man? It feels good to be back. Welcome back to another video on the channel. I know it's been a while, man, but if y'all seen the video, yeah, see, we already started the video off with a pothole. But yeah, man, we back with another video. If y'all seen the video before this, then y'all understand why I've been gone. I didn't drop it yet. As I'm recording this video, I didn't drop it yet, but yeah, man, if y'all see that video before this one, just bear with me, man. Y'all already know like why I've been gone for so long. But yeah, man, today's video we will be installing 1,200 Christmas lights on the Q today, man. Like how I did last year. We're gonna do half. We're gonna do the half lights and then the half black thing, like how we did last year. I'm gonna probably put a picture up or a video. Man, if y'all been around since last year, then y'all know, man. So we about to do the same thing this year, and right now I'm on the way to go do like a little quick wash. So I'm about to just go to a little self-serve car wash. I know you're not supposed to use the brushes, but I'm gonna have to use it today because I don't have my car washing equipment with me. So I'm gonna just pull up there, probably like for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Just do it like a little quick rinse off and soap, water and shit like that, and then I'm gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna be installing the lights there. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. We about to go get this car wash. Let's do it. Yeah, so we just got back from washing the car and we're about to go ahead and get started on these lights in a little bit. I low-key want to pull my car in the garage, but oh man, it's hot as shit right now. But as you can see, I got 2 boxes, 600, and then I got 2 things of tape. Hopefully that's enough, because I don't remember what happened to my other tape. But got 2 things of tape, these 2, and then I got these right here. I'm gonna set everything up in the car. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned. We about to go ahead and get started. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Let's do it, man. YouTube, so right now we about to start. To do the half and half, what I like to do is, so just so I know where like I'm doing it and like stopping it, I like to like starting off with the back first, so I'm about to just make sure it's decent. And then 100% even, but no, it'll do. So, about to go ahead and start placing the lights. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all how I'm gonna do the first box. This is the second box, but this is the first box right here that I'm about to do first. So, what I'm about to do is I'm gonna start off right here, the trunk. I'm gonna bring the power cord out like right here, and then I'm gonna start going like side to side, or like up down. Either way, I might do side to side though, like how I did last year. And then I'm gonna, at the end, it's gonna come all the way right here. It's gonna come all over here. I have a different spoiler now, so it's not gonna really be too much right here. So probably squeeze a little bit right here, come down, and then side to side again. Side to side, and then probably gonna come back up like this way or something like that. I don't know, I'm gonna cook up though, just wait on it. But yeah, it's gonna come all the way side to side right here, side to side. Then we're gonna go around the door Gonna go around the door, come right here, do the hood, then do half of the front bumper, and then with the next one, I'll probably do the doors. I forgot how I did it last year, but I'm about to cook up though. I'm gonna know, like, as I keep going. I'm gonna know how much I'm working with when I keep going. So I'm pretty sure the second box will be for the doors though. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm about to set up the camera. I'm about to have TikTok right here. Yeah. About to have TikTok, Instagram right here, and then YouTube right here. So on this camera. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. This camera might end up dying, so I gotta go get a charger. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. A little bit of time has passed and we got the top of the trunk done. Now we're moving to the bottom right here. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. Probably just let the camera die out. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. YouTube, so we are making progress. And by we, I mean me and my girlfriend. We are making progress. Done with this back side, and then we on the roof. We about to do the whole roof, and then come all the way back and come back down, and then go down here. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned, man. We still got a couple more hours. We're trying to get this done by sunset. That's what we got so far. I got my worker helping me out. Appreciate you. Ain't nothing better than some unpaid labor.
Listen.
It's looking good though. So we about to see if this row could finish at least the front bumper and the fender. And then when I start on the next row, I'm gonna do the doors, focus on the doors, overlap everything else, and do the hood. So yeah, man, that's what we got so far. Almost done, making progress. Everyone stay tuned, man. Yo, boy. So this how we looking right now. This is how we looking right now. Let me see if I can get everything on. Hold on. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. It's looking good. It's not finished yet. We still got a whole nother row. We still got the hood, the fender, the doors to do. So I'm gonna probably do that. We about to go get some food. I'm hungry as hell. So I'm about to do that. And then we gonna come back and I'm gonna come back and finish. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. We almost finished. And let's do it.
Day 2.
You too, man. So right now we are on day 2. This is day 2 of me installing the Christmas lights on the car, man. And today we will be knocking out the doors and also the hood and the fenders. So we still got the hood to do. We still got a little bit of the bumper right here. We still got half of the fender. And I'm gonna do the lights again. I mean the side mirrors and also the doors. So we're about to get started. Again, just came back from Publix. So I had to go get some milk. So right now we about to get started again. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm about to set up the camera and it's gonna be another time lapse. So let's do it.
I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck, I make big moves. You cuffed her, you a big fool. She right here getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about no money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. They call me Benji Racks, I don't give.
I never recorded the outro for this video, so I hope y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. Y'all boys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. I'm gone.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.